Hey guys, Jamie with the Summer Rain channel. Welcome back. Today we are going to go ahead and make a do-it-yourself lip scrub with spearmint in it. I did put the full recipe in the description box below. Also put a link to my blog where I go just a little bit more depth about all the ingredients, why we use them, all of that jazz. So it's so important. If you are not already exfoliating your lips regularly, you need to. I don't know if you've ever put lipstick on and it looks kind of clunky and like weird. That's because you have dead skin buildup on your lips and you really want your lips to be like smooth and soft and kissable. You don't want that clunkiness to them. I would say that you can exfoliate probably up to twice a week. I don't do it nearly that often. I just do it kind of as needed, but you could probably safely do it 2 to 3 times a week. I wouldn't do it any more than that. I love sugar as an exfoliator on your lips, right? Because it's very mild, and when you're doing it, you're going to do small circles and you're going to kind of wet it a little bit. So the sugar is going to start to dissolve as you're using it, making it less exfoliating. Is that the word that I'm going for? It kind of loses a little bit of its exfoliating power as the sugar is being dissolved. Plus, I would not want to do like a salt or something, because oftentimes when you're exfoliating your lips, a little bit of that is going to get in your mouth, and I feel like salt would be very weird. I did pop just a wee little bit of the spearmint in there. I used a mortar and pestle to really get it into a fine material, because we don't want anything abrasive, especially on our lips, right? We ain't trying to damage anything. So make sure you grind it up into a fine powder if you use it. If you don't have any, it's completely fine to leave out. I just like that it adds a bit of color and a little bit of scent to our lip scrub. Without further ado, let's dive in and make our lip scrub.
So we're going to include spearmint in this lip scrub, but I don't want it to be too abrasive. So what I'm going to do is just grind it up here a little bit. And we grind it up because we don't want anything that is going to harm your lips, right? Because your lips are awfully sensitive. So make sure that you grind this into very fine spearmint. And then we'll just put it back in our container. What we're going to do is go ahead and grab our castor oil. To that, we're going to go ahead and add the sugar. And we're going to go ahead and give this a good mix. Get everything incorporated. And honestly, you could use the lip scrub just like this, but because I really want to include some spearmint, and I'll add just a little bit of a fragrance to this and also a bit of color, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate that now. Now with lip scrubs, I don't make a whole lot, because typically I will just make it when I'm going to use it, and when I'm making it, I don't even make this much. I just make a wee little bit at a time because it's fairly simple to do. And you don't have to be super precise. You're just going for something kind of like this consistency. So it's a little bit thick, but it's going to be thin enough to spread onto your lips. Since the sugar dissolves in water, while you're using it, it is going to dissolve a little bit for you.
I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making and using your own. Bye.